Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best Counter-Strike 2 settings guide for max FPS and quality. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the Counter-Strike application, click on the settings menu, and from here we are going to be focusing more on the video settings. So just click on video or advanced video, and from there we then have the graphical settings for Counter-Strike 2. So let's go ahead and go through everything real quick. Now for VSync, you simply want to disable this off to simply avoid screen tearing. For NVIDIA G-Sync, you also want to make sure that this is disabled. For the NVIDIA Reflex Low Latency, you want to enable this one, or you can maybe set it to something like enabled plus boost. And from there, you then want to simply set your maximum FPS into something like 400 to avoid screen tearing. Now we are inside the presets. Basically in here, you then want to choose the custom one. For the multi-sampling anti-aliasing mode, you can go ahead and choose something like none, or if your computer can handle it, you can then choose 4x MSAA for better graphical results. For the global shadow quality, you want to set it at low, so you can just wait it to load in. And for the dynamic shadow, you can then go ahead and select sun only. Below that, you then have the model or texture detail. In my case, I want to set this at high because I want to see player models better, so let's leave it at the high settings. Now for the texture filtering mode, you then want to set it to bilinear. From there, we then have the shader detail. You can set this at low. Same thing with the particle detail. And then we have the high dynamic range. You can then set it to performance. And for the last setting, we have the super resolution. So you can just set it at disabled, which is going to produce the highest quality. But you want to get even more FPS, you can maybe select something like performance. But if you're having a problem with that, you can just switch this off by clicking on disabled. So once everything is applied, this will result the best FPS boost for Counter-Strike 2. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.